Hi, my name's Matt Turner with Pixie Vacations, and I'm here to help you plan the vacation of your dreams. As a fee-free travel agent, I'm here to help make sure that you get the best possible price, quality of service, and experience out of your hard-earned vacation dollar. My expertise will help me personalize every aspect of the vacation experience for you and your travel party. I specialize in vacations to Walt Disney World, the Disneyland Resort, the Disney Aulani Resort in Hawaii, the Disney Cruise Line, Adventures by Disney, the Universal Orlando Resort, and Royal Caribbean Cruises. I take the hassle out of planning your vacation so you can enjoy the fun parts. Contact me today at mattturner@pixievacations.com or 512-766-8414. I look forward to getting to know you and helping you maximize every bit of your vacation experience.